What's good, YouTube? Y'all know what it is, man. This your boy Tank be chopping, and we back with another video. Check it out, man. Today's video, we're actually gonna be doing an unboxing and a review. But before we get into this video, if you're new to the channel, please make sure to smash that like button, subscribe, share with your friends, leave some comments down below, you know what I'm saying? All that good stuff. But without further ado, man, let's go ahead and get into this video. Me unboxing the new Royal Clips Fade Kit. Let's get it. All right, guys, so check it out. As you can see, here we have the Royal Clips Fade Kit. And as y'all can see, this package does come with the clipper, a trimmer, and a shaver. So that's pretty dope. You get everything all in this Royal Clips Fade Kit. So right here, as you can see, it says we got stainless steel blades, 7,000 RPMs, adjustable lever on the clipper. And then on the opposite side here, you can see for the some of the specs on the trimmer, we got built-in grip, DLC blade, 2 hours of runtime, and then for the foil shaver, as you can see, we have double foil shaver, a metal cap, and then as you can see here, it says close shave, which it does get pretty close. But let's go ahead and check out the back. So on the back, as you can see, for the clipper, it says we have 3-hour runtime, universal voltage charger, cleaning brush, and oil. We got a 2-hour runtime, a USB charging cable, cleaning brush, and oil. And then for the shaver, we got 3-hour runtime, standard USB charging cable, cleaning brush, and travel bag. So that's basically everything y'all see on this box. But let's go ahead and open this thing up so we can actually see how these tools look. So once we take the sleeve off, as you can see, we have the same print on the actual box, same thing on the back, as y'all can see. But let's go ahead and open this thing up. So as you can see, we opened it up one time. We got the clipper, same thing, 3-hour runtime, universal voltage charger. Basically the same thing that was said on the back of the box. And then here we have the trimmer, you know, the name of the trimmer, the specs, and the foil shaver. But let's go ahead and open this up a little more. So as you can see, this thing does open up pretty wide, you know what I'm saying? Like we got a lot of stuff in there. But let's go ahead and start off over here. So on this side, it just talks about, you know, the motor, battery, and the adapter. And then right here, we have a little thank you card in here. Tell us what you think. Please leave us a review. That's their Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, all that stuff. We have the operating manual that we ain't even gonna look at. Let's check this out. So we do get the clipper inside of the box, obviously. So let's check that out, man. Nice looking clipper, all black, looks super sleek. We have the blade cover on there to protect the blade. We have the grip on the clipper. We have grooves in the back for ergonomics. As you can see, we do got a click lever. Comes with a fade blade on the clipper. Check that out right there. But let's go ahead and put this back in there. And then it does come with some guards, as you can see. I'll be honest with y'all, I didn't use these guards. They really look similar to like the Wall Premium guards, but I didn't use them, but it does come with guards. We also get a cleaning brush right here. Traditional style cleaning brush. And then we get the charger, the charging cable right here. But that's what comes in the area for the clipper. Now let's move over to this side and see the stuff for the actual trimmer and the shaver. So as you can see, when we open it up, we do get the Royal Clips travel bag for the shaver. We get an operating manual that we ain't even gonna look at, so let's chunk that to the side. Let's go ahead and open up this trimmer, man. Let's see how this trimmer's looking. All right, so we got the trimmer out of there. Y'all make sure to check that out. Nice looking trimmer. We got the grip right here for ergonomics. That way it don't slip out of your hand. Take the blade cover off. As you can see, we do have a DLC blade on there. There it goes. As you can see, we got a black DLC blade on there. All right, so we have the Royal Clips branding right there, as y'all can see. All in all, nice looking trimmer, right? But let's go ahead and put this back in here for the time being. Let's get the shaver out of here. So check it out. Here is the Royal Clips shaver. Nice looking shaver, all black, black on black. Check that out. Double full head shaver, and then we do have the cutter on the inside for longer hair. Nice and sleek, all black on black. And then we also do get some guards for the trimmer that, let's be honest, don't nobody ever really use these guards. Let's be honest, right? Don't nobody use those. But we put that to the side. We get, what we got in here? We got another cleaning brush that I can't seem to reach. We got another cleaning brush in here that I can't reach because my finger's too fat. And then we got a small cleaning brush right here. We got some oil in this little section right here. And then we got the charging cable for the trimmer and the charging cable for the shaver. But with that being said, man, that's basically what comes in this box. Once again, as y'all can see, let me slide this in the middle for y'all. As you can see, we got the clipper, we got the guards, charging cable for the clipper, we got a brush, we got the trimmer, 2 brushes to clean the trimmer, we got some oil, the shaver, and then we also have the 2 cords for that. We have the guards right here for the trimmer also, traveling bag. You know what I'm saying? All that good stuff. That's basically what comes in the box. All right, so check that out. As you can see, we have the clipper, the trimmer, and the shaver. Check it out. This is the clipper. We got the logo right here. Once again, we got the grip we got the grooves for the grip, on and off switch on the side. I don't know if y'all can hear that on the mic. Sounds super powerful. We got a click lever on there. Charging port down here. But yeah, man, it's basically the clipper. Once again, take a look at it. Nice looking clipper. Let's put that down. Here is the trimmer. We got the branding right here. Royal Clips. We got the rubber grooves for the grip right here in the middle. We got the charging port down here. As you can see, we got the DLC blade. Trimmer sounds a little louder than the clipper, but nonetheless, still quiet, still a quiet tool. Sounds really powerful, as you can hear. But let's go ahead and put this back down and let's take a look at the shaver. Here is the Royal Clips shaver. Nice looking shaver, all black. We have the branding right here. Charging port down here. You just plug the USB-C charger in there. Let's take the top off. Here is the foil heads on it. Super quiet also. I know shavers typically sound quiet, right? But check that out, man. Shout out to Royal Clips for this. I will put the link in the description and on the screen for y'all, but check it out. We got the Royal Clips clipper, the trimmer, and the shaver. But without further ado, man, let's go ahead and jump into me using this, and I'm gonna let y'all know what I think about it. Let's go. All right, guys, so y'all seen in the video, your boy was putting to use the Royal Clips clipper, the Royal Clips trimmer and also the Royal Clips shaver, right? But let's go ahead and start talking about the clipper first. So check it out. Once again, here is the Royal Clips clipper. As you can see, we do have some ergonomic grooves back here. That way the clipper fits in your hand a little more comfortably. We also have rubber grip here. So I don't know if y'all can see that on the camera, but this is all rubber. So this is metal, the casing is metal. However, this part right here is actually rubber texture. That way it doesn't feel slippery at all. You know, some clippers sometimes feel slippery in the hand, whether you're using it with gloves or not. Sometimes it just feels like it may slip out of your hand. However, Royal Clips did put that rubber grip area right here. That way you ain't got to worry about that. You know what I'm saying? Like, it fits in the hand good. The ergonomics are good. We have the rubber grip. That way you ain't got to worry about it slipping out of your hand. And I think that's pretty dope. Glad they did that. Feels really nice in the hand. Once again, we do have a click lever. I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all that one time. So as you can see, we have 5 notches. We got all the way open, 1 closed, halfway closed, a quarter open, and then all the way closed. So we got 5 clicks on the lever. Basically, it's a traditional style click lever. Most click levers are 5 clicks, you know what I'm saying? So we got a traditional style lever on there. And I wanna talk about this click lever real quick. It does feel, you know, nice. Some click levers feel cheap, you know what I'm saying? Like, they just don't click right. I feel this one, I feel that the clicks on it are really good. However, I don't know if y'all can see, it doesn't have, like, some clippers have like a ball that's making it clip. This one doesn't have that. The clicks are obviously on the inside of this, but nonetheless, we still got the clicks on there and still works really good when it comes to having to adjust the lever, and it keeps, so those clips keep you in place, you know what I'm saying? It keeps you in check. It lets you know exactly where you're at in the haircut. Once again, we do have the charging port down here at the bottom, and when it does come with a fade blade. Now, all in all, guys, I would say it's a solid clipper. As y'all seen in the video, I debulked with it, I blended with it, I detailed with it. You can get everything done with just this clipper. You don't need another clipper, but I know a lot of barbers, even myself, like to use different clippers for different things. But if you just needed one clipper and you happen to have this one, you can get the whole job done with just this clipper. We have a nice, powerful motor on there, as y'all can hear. Sounds super powerful, and it is powerful. You know, I had no issues when it came to debulking any length on top. You know, obviously I didn't use it on like a big chunk of hair, a big fro, or a big transformation, but I did use it on clients who come in every couple of weeks. So it did debulk well, no issues at all. Blended really well. I actually like the way it did blend, and I'm gonna be honest with y'all, it does remind me a lot of the Low Pro. As y'all can see, it kind of resembles the Low Pro clipper, and that also reminds me of another clipper that y'all have seen me do a review on a couple weeks back. You know what I'm saying? It kind of reminds me of the Black Obsidian from Suprint. Real similar. Just got their own branding on it, slightly different. As you can see, we have the rubber grip, what makes it a little different. But as y'all can see, on and off switch, we got that nice click when you turn it on and off. Once again, man, that motor sounds super powerful, worked really well. All in all, great tool for blending, debulking, and all that good stuff. Works really well, and yeah, man, all in all, it is a good tool. Now, with that being said, let's go ahead and jump into talking about the trimmer. As you can see, this is the Royal Clips trimmer. Once again, same thing, reminds me of the Low Pro and reminds me of the Black Obsidian from Suprint also. Slightly different though. Once again, we do have that rubberized grip right here that makes it a little more ergonomic in the hand, makes it feel a little more secure. That way you don't have to worry about it slipping out of your hand. We have the on and off switch on this side. Once again, nice click when you turn it on. I did notice sometimes when you turn this trimmer on, like the first time turning it on, it sounds a little louder, but it quiets down pretty quickly. I'm not sure the reason for that. It just sounds a little louder as soon as you turn it on, and then it gets a little quieter, right? But like I said, I don't know why it does that, but I just want to let y'all know that it does do that. But when it came to lining and bottoming out, it worked well. Me personally, I probably would zero gap it a little bit. I don't know if y'all can see how close the blade is on this trimmer. But me personally, if I was gonna continue using it, I would zero gap it slightly more just so it could hit a little better. Not saying that it didn't hit well, it just doesn't hit as good as some of my other tools, right? Like, it doesn't hit as good as my Babyliss tools or my Stylecraft tools, but it does leave some pretty precise lines. All in all, still a good trimmer, debulked with it, bought it out with it, lined up with it, and it worked well. I really didn't have an issue doing anything that I needed this trimmer to do. It feels great in the hand, not too heavy and not too light. You know, I don't like my trimmers trimmers too heavy, and I don't like them too light either. I like a happy medium, you know, a good balance of, you know, ergonomics and weight and, you know, and all that good stuff, you know what I'm saying? But all in all, man, same thing with the trimmer. Nice trimmer, worked well. Nice sounding motor on it. All in all, once again, I think this is a great tool also. Now, let's go ahead and jump into talking about the Royal Clips shaver. Now, upon looking at this shaver, as you can see, it's all black. Once again, I'm gonna say it once again, resembles the Babyliss shavers. We got that all black on there. Check it out, let's take the lid off. Now, I will say that the forehead is different, and I'm gonna tell y'all why here. Y'all can probably see it. In the middle, we have like a different style of shaver head, or a different style of shaver. You know, it does cut longer hair due to the middle shaver head, but as you can see, we have the dual foil and that middle one. In my use of using this shaver, it worked good. I'm gonna be honest, when I turned it on, it sounded powerful, but a lot of shavers do sound powerful, and a lot of them do work well right out of the box, but I wasn't sure if this one was gonna match up to my other shavers, and I think it did. You know, it worked as good as some of my other shavers that I have on my station. Bought it out fairly well. Didn't take me forever to ball it out, and a lot of times that's one of the deciding factors of what makes me use a shaver long term. How long does it take me to ball it out? Because I don't like to be sitting there forever with the shaver trying to get it down to that razor, you know, that shaver length. I got to go over it a couple times, and it's got to get that hair down. And if it doesn't, that kind of lets me know, like, all right, this shaver probably ain't for me. But nonetheless, man, this one worked well. It may be due to it being brand new. Obviously, I know a lot of new tools work really well, but this one, all in all, man, I would also say that is a good tool also. Now, if we press this button on the side right here, we can obviously take this forehead off. Got a little bit of hair in there. Obviously, you know, I have been using it, but we do got some hair in it. But nonetheless, man, we got the two cutters right here. I know you're probably thinking, like, how does that cutter in the middle work? Well, as y'all can see, we have like that little middle piece. I don't know if y'all can see that, but there's like a little piece in between the two foil heads, and that's what basically makes this head start to work, you know what I'm saying, the head in the middle. But once again, like I was saying, all in all, good shaver also. May not be the best to some people, but it did work and it did get the job done. Now, I'm not sure what the price is on this combo, but the fact that it comes in one box is pretty dope. You know, you get one box for 3 tools. You get the shaver, you get the trimmer, and the clipper all in one box. I think that's good because sometimes I like to save my boxes, you know, and when I get a bunch of tools in different boxes, sometimes it's a lot, you know what I'm saying? So the fact that you can get all these in one combo kit for one price is pretty dope. Now, I'm not 100% sure what the price is on this fade kit from Royal Clips. However, I will make sure to put the price on the screen for y'all, and I will make sure to put my discount code on the screen for y'all also. That way, if y'all do want to purchase this fade kit from Royal Clips, you can go to their website, purchase it, and use my discount code to save y'all some money. But with that being said, man, that's basically it for this video. Once again, guys, check it out. This is the Royal Clips Fade Kit. All in all, I think these tools can get the job done. They do work. I have no issues with any of them. You know, the shaver does what it's supposed to do. Trimmer balls out and lines up well. And then the clipper, you know, the clippers, y'all saw your boy working with it. It was blending well and debulking well. So that's all that really matters when it comes to these tools. But with that being said, man, that's basically it for this video. If you like this video, please make sure to smash that like button. Also, if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe one time for your boy. And that's basically it, YouTube. I appreciate y'all for watching. Until next time, let's go.